Question. Do you know that sound? Aha! We're on. Okay. So, please do this for me. Hold your hand up if you had a Nokia phone back in the old days. Okay, that's a lot of people. Okay, please keep your hands up if that was your default ringtone. Wow, almost everyone. Well, the thing is, I hated that ringtone. I didn't hate it because it was bad. It did the job, like you know someone was calling. But I hated it because it was everywhere. And I was a rebellious kid. I wanted to be different. This is the Siemens C55. It's a phone that came out in 2002. And it had one very unique feature. You could record up to 20 seconds of audio, and you can use that audio as a ringtone. So my ringtone from back in the day used to be Eminem's Lose Yourself, which was amazing when everyone's was a Nokia. But what I didn't know back then is that that ringtone was the beginning of my career. You see, I review tech gadgets for a living. I created a channel called Android Basha. Today, it has 1.7 million subscribers, and it has over 1,500 videos, over 1 billion minutes of watch time, which is amazing to me. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. But I actually didn't wake up one day and wanted to make tech videos on YouTube. That wasn't the thing 20, 25 years ago. I actually wanted to be a pilot. But because of that ringtone, it got me curious. I wanted to see what else is out there. So I started researching. And I found out something shocking. At the time, there was no Arabic content about technology. So that gap, like imagine if you want to upgrade your PC or if you wanted to buy a new phone and you couldn't find a single piece of content in your native language. So that gap became my mission. I wanted to enrich Arabic content and bring technology closer to my community. When I started, almost 15 years ago, I was literally the second tech channel on YouTube in Arabic. So there wasn't a lot of us. But what I came to find out is that a lot of other people have reached the same realization and walked down the same path. People who I met over the years and became some of my best friends later on. A military aviation engineer from Saudi who today runs the biggest tech channel in the Middle East. An accountant from Kuwait who today makes the most awesome videos about technology on Instagram. A civil engineer from Palestine who today makes the most in-depth videos about computer content. And you know what's funny? In another universe, today I would be sitting behind a desk at a bank explaining interest rates because sadly I majored in finance. But yeah. But you know what we all shared? We shared one thing, which is curiosity. We wanted to learn more, experience new things, and share that experience with like-minded people. And today, I see thousands of tech creators popping up across the entire Middle East, making world-class content, which all started by that ringtone. So if I want you to take one thing from my talk today and from my time on stage, is take every opportunity possible. Try new things. You never know what happens. And record your own ringtone. You may never know where it might lead you to. Thank you guys so much.